If you're watching this video, then you are probably getting married in 12 to 24 hours, which means you're probably on the fence about doing wedding video. It's a good thing you guys found me, because today I'm going to run over 3 reasons as to why you should get wedding video starting. I don't have a clapper, but now. All right, so the first reason why I always tell people that they need to do wedding videography is because wedding video isn't like what it used to be back in the day. You know, you aren't looking at getting an hour video, half an hour video in today's day and age. When you hear about a wedding video, you're typically looking at about a 6 to 12 minute video that really showcases the highlights of all the moments. You really get to relive your wedding day in a way that back in the day you never used to be able to. So yes, you can do wedding photography, and obviously that's a must-have. Everyone's going to do wedding photography. But when it comes to videography and the final product that you're getting, that wedding film will literally be one of the only outlets for you to relive your guys' wedding day. You can do or you can do the video from your friends' phones or from your family's phones, but that is number one. That is the number one reason I always tell people to relive the wedding day. Number 2. Our second reason is that video captures the audio that photos just can't. Like this video clip from Haley's wedding of her friend giving an awesome announcement before the wedding day.
Special message to the bride and groom. We've got fuck shit up tonight.
Moments like that and every other moment that you can possibly think of, talking to your mom before the wedding day, the things that your dad says when he gets his first look with you, and everything in between are the reasons that you want to do wedding video. And now the last, but surely not final reason why you should do wedding film is because your wedding day only happens once. Now listen, I understand that the planning process can be stressful. And the one thing that I tell all of my couples, regardless of how good the product is, whether that's video, photo, DJs, the catering, the venue, regardless of how great that end product is, the one thing that should stand above all else is just to make sure that they're a good fit for your wedding day. Because the people that you're hiring are the team that you're going to build around to make sure that your day goes right and to make sure that you have fun. And that's got to be the most important thing. So whether it's Buttoned Up or somebody else, just keep in mind that your moment matters.